Let's dive into the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-502S Ebony surround sound speakers. With a larger 90° x 90° silicone composite hybrid Tractrix horn, these speakers deliver crisp, clear dialogue, making your audio experience more immersive. The exclusive 1-inch LTS titanium diaphragm tweeter minimizes distortion, enhancing detailed performance, while the vented tweeter design further refines the audio details. But it doesn't stop there. These speakers boast all-new cerametallic woofers for flawless sound reproduction and minimal distortion. The wide dispersion surround technology ensures lifelike cinematic sound in any room. Their advanced cabinet design, complete with additional bracing and furniture-grade materials, minimizes vibrations for optimal sound quality. The removable grille adds to their elegance, allowing a transition from a powerful showstopper to a discreet performance piece. Whether it's for movies or music, these speakers deliver an exceptional audio experience that's hard to beat. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.